In this TeamWork 5 video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your video and written help for your TeamWork 5 account. If you go to your login page, in the lower left-hand portion of your screen, you should see a section called Support. If you click on Videos under Support, you will be taken to your ScheduleSource Help Desk video page. Here you can see updates on the TeamWork 5 YouTube channel, including all the different playlists we have created for you. We are always adding new videos to our YouTube help channel. To go to the YouTube channel, you can click on TeamWork 5 YouTube channel, or you can click on a specific playlist. Let's say I'm an employee and I want to find out more about my calendar. I can click on Calendar, and now I will be taken to that playlist. On the right-hand side, you will see all of the videos in this playlist, and you can click on any of them to learn what you need to about that section of your TeamWork 5 account. You can also find us by searching TeamWork 5 in the top YouTube search bar. So if I go to the YouTube homepage, I can type in TeamWork 5, and the TeamWork 5 YouTube channel will come up. So I'll click on TeamWork 5 here, and now you'll be taken to the TeamWork 5 YouTube tutorial home page. The latest videos are going to show up on the home page. If you want to see more of the latest videos, you can click on Videos, and you'll see all of the TeamWork 5 videos listed in the order they were uploaded. If you're looking for a specific type of video, you can click on the search icon and type in that video's name or subject. So let's say I want to learn more about calendars again. I will type in calendars, and now all of the videos on calendars will be listed. Another way you can search our YouTube channel videos is by playlist. So if I click on Playlists, now I can see all of those playlists, the same ones that were listed in the written help documentation. If you want to watch a playlist, all you need to do is select that playlist. So let's say I want to learn more about the organization section of TeamWork 5 for managers. I'll click on this last one, and that playlist will automatically come up and start playing. Unless you have changed your YouTube settings, these videos are going to automatically play in order. If you want to select a different video other than the first one, you can go to the right and scroll through the videos listed there, and these are all of the videos on organization in TeamWork 5. That's how you can get to and search for your TeamWork 5 help videos. There's also two different forms of written help available to you. If I go back to my TeamWork 5 sign-in page, I can also click on the Help Desk under Support. This is going to pull up the ScheduleSource Help Desk homepage. And now I can scroll through these documents and choose the one I need. So let's say I want to learn more about adding and managing locations. I'll click on that one. And now the overview of adding and managing locations will come up, as well as related articles on the right. There's one other type of written help you can access. If you go back to your TeamWork 5 homepage and sign in the upper right-hand corner of your main menu bar is a help icon. Click on Help, and you now have three options. That second Help Desk option is going to take you to the same written help we were just looking at. But the top documentation option will take you to a different type of written help. So I'm going to click on Documentation, and now I'm seeing that same written help information, but it's organized in sections based on your TeamWork 5 tabs, just like your video playlists. So it's organized a little bit differently. Let's say I want to learn more about credentials in TeamWork 5. I can click on Credentials, and now I'll be taken to the Credentials overview, And listed on the right again will be all of the articles related to credentials. So if I want to learn how to add, remove, and change credential assignments, I can click on Assignments. And now I'll be taken to that help information. That's how you can access and navigate the various help resources TeamWork 5 provides for you. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.